This is a really cool story.
It gets my heartstrings.
It's sad. It's bittersweet. It's sad.
It makes me want to cry.
Yes.
This one is the roughest house we've ever worked on. And
It was
everyone tells her it should be torn down. But we say no, we love it. Hey, Jenna Yeager.
Wants to save her daddy's house.
Dad left this house to me when he passed away, and this is the only place we ever lived together. All of my memories with him are there, and I don't want to let that go.
He was in the middle of renovating this house when he died.
Right.
And so it's a closure thing for Jenna. If this house could be restored, then in a way, this thing that her dad wasn't able to do gets taken care of. And then she also gets to be close to him in a way again.
Wow.
This is really, really special. This house looks awful
I'm upset about
in person.
That
this
enclosed.
door, the enclosed porch.
You can see these porch columns that are literally like just
Built in,
concealed.
yeah.
Whoa,
It definitely needs some work in this front room.
babe, maybe you shouldn't walk on it.
It's pretty soft all around, and I'm seeing, there's a hole
It's
here.
been leaking.
No one was living here, so
Yeah.
it hasn't been fixed.
This is not an instance where we get to say, this house is rock solid.
No,
Right.
don't hit it too hard or you might fall through.
Yep. So we gotta repair all the rot. And then we put up a wall right here, and this dark, rotten room is going to become a beautiful art studio.
I love that. Yep.
Because Jenna is an artist. She loves to paint. Imagine this room, just white.
Like
Just
light
white
floors.
everywhere. White walls, white
Ceiling.
floors, white ceiling, white. And then this left side is opened up again, just like it would have been originally. Jenna wants the house to be white,
Right.
because that's what it was. But I think it could be more. We have this skinny wood siding
Right.
on all this part of the house. This part of the
And then
house
that
is
side.
the
Yeah, 1
white.
foot.
Right.
Yes. So I think the best way to handle it would be two-tone, so that the wide siding sunroom on the front
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait.
and the rest of the house could be this really dramatic, deep, dark, gray, brown, green. It's a
Right.
lot.
Like
It's got a lot of
deep
color.
clay kind of color.
Yes.
Deep dark clay.
And she also loves emerald green. So what if the front door were the only thing that was really a color, like a true color?
I'm always for it.
Yeah, it's just a sliver of
It's
the green.
just a moment.
Yeah. In every room of the house, I want to just drop a little bit of this emerald green into it.
Absolutely.
Jenna's really into Scandinavian mid-mod style.
Right. It's a little bit more boho kind of mixed in there with the
Yeah.
modern. It's a mix.
A
but
minimalist
earthy.
bohemian.
Yes.
Because we're opening up that side of the porch, you got 3 big walls full of mahogany.
Mahogany is just a really special wood because we don't have it in the United States. It's an imported wood. It only comes from South America typically, and it's high quality, it's durable. It can last as an exterior wood because it won't rot. We can't just trash mahogany.
No, I want to pull it all out and save it and build something from it.
Could you make something
No,
recordy?
not-
Because she and Hugh want a music listening room.
Yes. We're gonna build this big long bench that has a cane panel on the front.
So the speakers could live inside the bench.
Their record player would sit on top, and then build a shelf that matches it. That's just a box that is a free-floating box on the wall that their record, because they have a big collection of records.
Did such a good job.
Love it.
Well, it's like a very traditional house, but for modern living.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Go
The
on.
kitchen is just an absolute dumpster fire. There's no other way.
It is.
It's not a kitchen. It's a room
No, it's
where
a
you
very,
could put a
very
kitchen.
odd room.
We've got to add windows. We can keep the wood floors. Those are nice.
Those
you
do
go.
actually look decent.
Well, and the high ceiling. The ceilings are so high in this house. They're like 13 or 14 foot high.
Right.
So we talked about not going all the way to the ceiling with the cabinets.
That would be ridiculous.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
Yeah, it would be just an unnatural scale and certainly unusable.
Keep the cabinets light.
Like a white.
Yeah. And then, what do we think about backsplash? Emerald?
Because
This
we're
is the
doing
touch of
our
emerald.
Popping
emerald.
it in.
This is the touch of emerald
Yes.
in every room
But rather than running bond,
Just, yes,
on a grid.
Yeah.
a little more modern, a little more Jenna.
I love that.
Yeah.
I think that's more her vibe. And then have a light grout, like a cream color, kind of the color of the cabinetry. That'd be cool.
I'm loving that. That'd be gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then wood knobs and pulls.
I would love that. Unless you guys think it looks,
Too country.
yeah.
No,
But I don't think it
that
does.
shape is so much more kind of a
a modern
mid-mod,
bin
but
pull.
exactly, it's like a modern bin pull in wood, which I think is more interesting than,
And also, once the tile is laid on this pattern,
right. Oh,
That-
yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I think that's
more
stunning.
modern.
Yeah.
You're into
well, I like
it?
that you're taking traditional materials, but we're doing them in a different
In a
way.
modern way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. She's gonna get a pretty amazing
be a
house,
nice
at
house.
the end of
Yeah.
the day.
The exterior of this house originally was just nothing. It looked like it should be torn down. And when we're done, that house is now the star of that block.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
That is like a different
Look at that
house,
front
though.
porch. You got a front porch.
Yeah.
My favorite thing is the music room. The speaker box that Ben built. Mahogany, it's a very cool wood. And Ben was able to take it and make such beautiful stuff with it. The kitchen, it's full of light, when before it had absolutely none.
Oh my gosh. Look at the backsplash.
The countertops are nice.
Oh, I love this house. I love it so much. Architecturally, it was very interesting. It came such a long way from almost being raised to being the coolest house ever.
It's wonderful. This is everything my dad would have dreamed of and more when he was fixing it up.
I'm so
That's so cool.